All right, shipwrecks. Sun's breaking through. We're dropping elevation. We're getting where the sun's coming out. Keep going through snow fields, but that's to be expected after a big snow, right? But having fun, having tons of fun. All right, see you at the trail. Hey shipwrecks, just checking in, letting you know we made it through the snow fields. We found this gem of a location, Casa de PCT Lunchtime Barrio. So you come in through the front door, woohoo! We got stuff drying from last night, got our booties, got our quilt out because it got a little wet. Remember I was telling you it rained at me all night? And then got the kit all set up. So I'm gonna take my 1 hour nap after my big fat lunch with the Raptor. Layout on that, that's my ground sheet. So what's for lunch? Well, we got some Italian salami, we got some Fritos, and then we're gonna put those Fritos in this dehydrated Fiesta beans with minute rice, and then 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and then we hydrate that, and then we put the Fritos in there for crunch. Gotta have your ibuprofen, gotta get some of those. And then Propels, those are for after lunch, hitting the next stop. And then Tuna Creations. I looked at Walmart and I couldn't find the chicken and barbecue pork, so I got the hickory smoked and the light tuna and sunflower oil. I'll mix those in with the beans and rice and some good old dehydrated sriracha. That's crack on the trail, folks, crack. All right, got the kitchen set up, all ready to cook. Waiting for Mama Mia to come by and put all this together for me. Oh, I guess I'd have to wait a while. I guess I'd do it myself. All right, see you after my nap. Well, shipwrecks are back on trail. Lunch break's over. We're at mile 607 and about 6,583 feet. Oh, we're going down. No, I would say 6,500. But trail has patches of snow on it and so on and so forth, but we didn't get that far to go to camp today. That's why we were able to do a little public works project. There's a lot of folks that depend on that spring, and no one takes action to dig out a water spot where you can fill up your CNOC or your bladder, your bottle. You know, you waste time, you struggle, and then eventually it'll get so low that it won't even pay to build a little water cache well like I did. So good luck to those that are behind me, because I know that was supposed to be like a 20-mile carry to that spot. So I wanted to make sure that folks had water for the future. Other than that, you see these little patches of snow here and there. I don't have to walk through them, but sometimes you get a downed log and a creek and more snow. And where the hell did the trail go? But, all right, let's figure it out. Well, Sally. I don't look like people are taking the conventional route, so I'm gonna use my pathfinder skills. Talk to you later.
See you when I find the trail.
Well, shipwrecks, I found the trail again. I came across a beautiful scenery. That snow mixed in with the pine trees. It smells like pine trees. You know that smell. I got smell-o-vision right now. You can smell those pine trees heating up in the sun. Well, enough chitter chatter. Let's get on down the trail. Looks like we're gonna be back in the fog soon. Here comes the wind. Maybe I shouldn't have taken such a long lunch break.
Little shipwrecks. Do you see what I see? Do you see what I see? What feet are born on this very day, because there's no rocks. Because there's no rocks. So, looks like I found the path of least destruction. You hop from rock to rock to rock, then you do a long pole vault over that section there, and then you walk up that beach right there to that log right there, come over to here, and then there's a big long log. It's got branches on it, but it goes all the way across the water. So, let's see your shipwrecks on the other side. Oh yeah, mile 605.2. Little shipwrecks. I'm glad the trail didn't go up on that north-facing slope. That's a little bit of snow up there on that ridge line. I'm sure we'll run into some of our own sooner than later. All right, see you up the trail. Hey shipwrecks, here we are at 6:06:09 with the seasonal spring. There's a lot of water in there right now. You could almost go swimming, but not this guy. All right, see you at the trail. Well, shipwrecks. Oh, just had an adventure. So there I am, walking down the trail. I haven't seen anybody in a day and a half, right? And then I'm doing what you would normally do on trail. Sit there, you talk to yourself, you answer yourself, you know, start singing funny songs, talking to your body parts, giving them pep talks so they get down the trail for you. And these two Germans snuck up behind me like damn ass ninjas, scared the living shit out of me. No one scared me that bad since Trisha did it in the Great Smoky Mountains. I tell you, I had about 20 swear words and a load of crap in my pants. It was, whew. I definitely jumped a bunch of adrenaline, so I should be good to go. But they didn't turn out to be black bears, so I'm safe. But other than that, just thought you shipwrecks would want to know. All right, see you at the trail. Well, shipwrecks were mile 607.8. Just got out on a bunch of more snowfields and had to cross the creek, so there wasn't any possibility for dry feet, just wet ones. But this area through here is just amazing. Look at that. A pretty cool rock feature. We're gonna go right by it. Oh, can't even see me. You don't want to see me anyway. I want to see the places to camp and beauty. Oh, creek crossing. Kept my feet dry on that one. All right, see you up the trail. Well, shipwrecks are mile 611.4. Kind of ends the mountain phase. Then we're gonna do a 17 plus mile carry tomorrow across the desert as we start to make our way up into the Kern area. We're almost to Walker Pass, and they're 2 days, I think. But we'll see if we can keep the body moving. All right, see you in camp. Those shipwrecks, we're done for the day. 13.8 of the most beautiful miles I've seen so far on the PCT. Talk to you tomorrow.